Alright students, here we are with our Chapter 26 vocabulary. This is our last vocab assignment of the year, so take a good look and make something beautiful on the next page. If you are one of my kids that has like a continuing story that you do every vocab assignment, being the last one, you have to end the story. So let's go over these words and you can move on to the assignment. Nationalize means to place private property under the control of the government. Usually they nationalize industries like things like oil or trains or stuff like that. Embargo, a ban on trading or doing business with another country. Deforestation, the process of cutting down trees and forests in an area. There we go. Refugee, a person who leaves a country because of war, violence, or natural disaster. Terrorism, the use of violence against civilians to achieve a political goal. Intifada, the rebellion of Palestinians against Israel. A détente, a relaxation of tension and increased understanding between nations. We'll be talking about the USA and Russia. Glasnost, the Soviet policy for allowing free discussion of political and social ideas. And Perestroika, the Soviet plan of reforming government and economic policies. We'll talk about these things, really all three of these things, in our lesson on the fall of the Soviet Union. Ethnic cleansing, the use of force to remove or kill an entire ethnic group. Like the Holocaust. Think that. Interdependent, relying on one another for goods, information, and resources. And a pandemic is an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affects an exceptionally high number of people. Here we go. We take a look at the assignment. There it is. 10 separate sentences or story, poem, something creative with 5. Be sure to bold or italicize or highlight the vocab words for me. Alright, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll get into the lesson on our next school day. Have a good one.